In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text fields in DocuSign, providing you with a full guide for 2025. First, you'll need to log into DocuSign. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once there, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. You'll then be prompted to enter your credentials. If you prefer, you can also use Google or Microsoft single sign-on options for a quicker login process. Once logged in, head over to your home dashboard. Here, you'll see an option labeled Start. Click on it and select Send an Envelope. This is where you'll upload your document, whether it's a PDF, a Word document, or a template where you intend to add text fields. Next, you'll need to add recipients. Enter the signer's name and email, and if there are multiple people involved, be sure to set the signing order. This ensures that each individual signs in the correct sequence. Now, after you have uploaded your document and added your recipients, it's time to open the field editor. Click Next to enter the Prepare view, which provides you with a set of drag and drop tools on the left side of your screen. In this view, you can easily add a text field. Simply go over to the Fields panel on the left and select Text. Drag and drop this text field onto the document at the spot where you'd like the signer to input information. This could be fields like job title, address, or start date. Once you've placed the text field, it's time to customize it. Over on the right-hand menu, you can adjust several properties. Start by giving the field a name, perhaps label it as employee address if that's relevant. If the field you've added is necessary for your form, make sure to check the required field box. Conversely, if there's information that you want included but not altered, use the read-only option to keep it secure. You can also set a default value if there's data you'd like pre-entered for convenience, like a company name. For added structure, utilize the validation option, which restricts input to specified formats such as numbers, dates, or emails. Lastly, manage the character limit if you need to control input length. Ensure that each text field is assigned to the correct recipient. The Assign to dropdown allows you to designate who should fill out each field. For instance, the employee could fill in their job title, while HR completes the salary section. Repeat this process across your document, adding as many text fields as needed. You can integrate other elements too, such as signature fields, date signed, checkboxes, and drop-down lists. Once all text fields are in place and perfectly arranged, click Send. The recipient will receive an email allowing them to fill in the required fields and sign the document through DocuSign's secure interface. This process ensures a smooth, efficient, and complete document transaction for all parties involved.